Small tutorial how to replace ashtray on your Mercedes CLK 209. We start by opening ashtray. We can remove this part, just do not get in the way. And now you take this part and pull it upwards. This will release it from the center console, like this. You would see these two clips that goes inside of this hose. And now we need to remove or undo these two clips, and this will release the whole ashtray. Use a small flat screwdriver, place it behind this clip, and you will see it releases from here and also on this side as well. And you see ashtray, it's already moving, so we now just pull it to ourselves and ashtray is out. And now we just need to remove the wiring, and here you see this connection. We need to pull it like this, not up but like this, and we will get the connection undone. And that's it. Now the whole ashtray is removed. To install the ashtray back, we just do the steps backwards. We add the connection first, and then we slide this ashtray inside of this hole. We make sure that clips are connected like this, so there are no movements anymore. We rotate this back, slide this side of this guides, press it down, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the next one.